party people, welcome back to my channel. On this episode, we're going to be working on sensory type play. Kids with special needs love sensory type play, like sand, rice, beans, anything they can put their hands into and touch, so stay tuned. Okay, so today's a rainy day, so we are going to do some sensory play type things. This is just whipped cream that I've added red food coloring to, and I'm going to make a bunch of different colors. We got all the colors now. It's just whipped cream and food coloring, so it's edible.
Okay,
we got trays.
Viewers, if you didn't know, this is in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
That's right.
Hi there! Would you like to receive a gift? I'm a missionary for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and this is the Book of Mormon. It specifically talks about Jesus Christ. I've seen the Book of Mormon be able to change my life so much. We would love to give you one as well. As you can see, we have lots of copies. So click the link below and missionaries will drop it off at your house and share a quick little message about Jesus Christ. Thank you!
Who has a prettier shot?
Everybody's gonna say yours, but like mine isn't ugly. Mine's like pretty. Like I got that little.
Yours is pretty.
It's pretty.
Mine's prettier. Like yours is pretty.
I necessarily wouldn't say that. Like
What? That mine's
that
prettier.
yours is prettier. Like
I would.
you're so compact and like.
Compact.
Me, I'm shooting one leg side faders. Yours is always like shoulder square, feet square.
Exactly. So mine is prettier.
Mine is like sexier.
Like what?
That's facts.
Autumn, look at mommy. Her tray's a little bit bigger. Okay, we're gonna do a rainbow, Autumn. You ready? Okay, stop. Red. Wait. Orange. Wait. You're doing a good job waiting. Yellow. Wait. Green. This is a good job waiting. I'm very proud of your waiting. What's next? Oh, wait. What's next? Blue. Say blue.
This looks more like.
Wait. We're almost there. We're almost there. What's next? Say purple. That one's hard. Purple. Okay, can I get a picture of you next to your rainbow? Okay, don't touch it yet. Wait. Look how cool it is.
Mess it up.
Yeah, mess it up. Good job. What do you think, Joe? Was that a fun activity?
Yummy.
Your mouth. Ready?
I know, let me do it.
No, I do it. Mommy's gonna do it. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna make is super easy. I mean, most people have rice in their house and vinegar and food coloring. That's all you need to make this. So it's something that Autumn really enjoys, stuff that like texture stuff, like sensory stuff. So I'm gonna make rainbow colored rice and have them play with it. Right now they're jumping on the trampoline while I make it. Okay, so like I said, you need rice, you need vinegar, and you need food coloring. That's it. Okay, so we have made all the colors. We've done this before. Autumn had a rainbow themed birthday and we made all the colors of the rice, and then we had trays for them so that they could play in it. And actually I put it in really big bowls for her party and they played in it. So It's something that the kids love to touch. Like the texture is just like really fun for the kids. So yeah, I'm gonna let it dry for a few minutes because the vinegar just needs to kind of evaporate a little bit. And then I'm gonna let them play with it in their trays. Autumn loves it. I think the feeling of it, she just loves it. You want more? Do you want more colors? Do you want red? Red. She'll play with it like all day.
Orange. Orange. Yellow.
You like it? Okay, we gotta make something out of it. Here. I wanna make a bow.
You like that?
I don't bow. Show mommy. You ready? Let's go like this. Here, grab it with our hands. And go. You like that? Looks like sprinkles. You like that? You like the way that feels? Take it out. Yay! Again? Ready? Go. Go. You like it? Oh. More? Yeah. You can put it down. Does that feel funny? What do you think, Joe? It feels cool, huh? I like the way it feels.
Yes.
And we're gonna reminds me of Warbies a little bit.
Except it's
I think Autumn's chores are really paying off because she's cleaning this all by herself, and Joe's helping. Good job, Joe.
I'm only doing
Because the only downside to playing with the rice is it's very messy, but that's okay. We can clean it up.
well, yeah.
Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is make sensory balloons, and we're gonna use some of the rice for one of them. I'm gonna use some Orbeez in one of them, and I'm also gonna use flour in one of them. So I have 3 clear balloons that I just had from Party Decorations, and I'm gonna make that next.
What you want to do is save hundreds when Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance.
That's great, but can you ask your friend to stop digging into the green?
I can ask, but he's not going to. Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
Okay, so that was super easy. We have our first sensory balloon, and I like it because you can see through it. I use the clear balloons, and it's fun to squish. The kids love that kind of stuff. So the next one I'm going to do is rice. So let's do that next. So far, Autumn really likes the Orby balloon, and like she's been playing with it for like the last 15 minutes. You like that, baby? Feels weird, huh? You want to try the rice one? Feel that one. That one feel weird? These are really, really easy to make. I'm working on the flour one right now. The only thing is the flour is really hard to get into this balloon, but you like that, Coco? Feels weird, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna make another Orbeez one. So what you do for this one, it's like super easy. You take the bottle, right? You fill it up with the Orbeez. You blow up the balloon, and then you put it around the bottle. Obviously, some of the air is gonna come out. And you just flip it over. Well, bam.
That's so simple.
And then hold on. Then you have to let the air out. And then you gotta tie them on.
Oh, of course. That's easy.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Me and Joe had a lot of fun doing this. Autumn did too, actually. She really enjoyed it. These are some awesome sensory activities that you can do at home with like basically stuff you probably already have at home, so you don't have to shop. So if you guys like this episode, make sure you hit the like button, also subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Have a great day.